Says second suggestion ko din is if may kilala kang VA na siguro matagal nang naging VA, puwede kang mag negotiate sa kanya and sabihin mo na, gusto mo siyang tulungan sa kanyang task, para maka-gain ka ng experience without pay, or kung gusto niyang bayaran ka sa oras na, you know, kasi it's a training ground din. For example ako, kausapin ko si Julie, wala akong experience, sabihin ko kay Julie, "Jules, meron ka bang task na puwede mong ipagawa sa'kin? Gagawin ko. You don't have to pay me, but I just wanna gain experience." 'Di ba?
Yeah.
So, puwede 'yun. If may mga friends ka na VA and gusto mo talaga maging VA, gusto mo mag-gain experience, start with that. And you can even
Mhm.
put sa resume mo. 'Yun yung
Yep.
para sa'kin. And then my third suggestion siguro is yung LinkedIn is your digital portfolio din. It's like more of a presentation of your skills, who you are, what services that you can offer. Study LinkedIn, and while you're gaining experience, study LinkedIn and make it as your portfolio.